Get ready to do it. We just gotta. Just all around it. We get close.
I swear I'm hitting it.
I know. No, if you hit it, it might not go off when he shoots it. How many shells you got left?
He's had 30 in there. I think he's down.
Keep shooting. If you run out, we'll go down there and look. It looks like you hit it. I think he's hitting right above it.
I can't even see it no more.
All right, put it on
Yeah,
safety.
they got